gave Rabia a clear view of the running thief. She raised the rifle as if ready to fire. "Stop!" she yelled, as the thief was clearly in her sight. But nearby was also a police constable, who had just turned the corner, curious about the source of the commotion. All of a sudden, Rabia seemed to come out of a trance. The realization of what she had been about to do hit her in the gut. In a flash, she lowered the gun, but not before the constable too had ducked to the side, fearing that he might encounter a bullet from her rifle. While doing so, he bumped into the thief, who was swerving past to avoid him. The thief was thrown off balance and landed on the dirty street with a loud thump. His head hit the ground, and he was out cold.
Thank you, Arunodaya.
Thank you, Arunodaya. That was really good. I mean, it's the first time I've heard my words being read out and with such passion. So I feel I was a little distracted, but I think what Arunodaya just did was kind of made those words, visual in my head. So thank you, Arunodaya. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And very well done. Thank you. Just to let you know, Arunodaya made his debut in my film, in Sikandar. So thank you for being with me and being on this journey with me. Thank you. And now I'll ask Ekta Kapoor, our chief guest, to unveil the book, a formal unveiling, and she's so very kindly written an Om on it as a mark of auspiciousness for the book's success. So thank you, Ekta. Thank you for your gesture. Please unveil. Open the book. I think we have to open.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please join Piyush with an encouraging round of applause.
Stand it.
As we have our very special guest, Ekta Kapoor, unveiling the book for us, joined by Mr. Sudhir Mishra, Arunodaya Singh, and Mr. Krishna Hegde. Congratulations, Piyush, on your book, Mundaistan.
Now I'll ask everybody, Sudhir Mishra, Krishna Hegde and Arunodaya Singh to please hold up their books also. So that's like 5 times Mundaistan. Playing, that's the song, and it's been done by these young music directors. Justin Uday, please take a bow. Justin Uday, they've really done a lot of creative work on this, and we're going to show you the music video that's done to their song. The lyrics have been written by Kumar, the guy who's written Madha Ladla Bigad Gaya, and Ekta's song, the Shirt Ka Button, in the latest movie, and the song has been sung by Divya Kumar, the one who sung Ishaqzadeh, and also Sid Kuto, who's a rock star from Mumbai. They all represent Mumbai in different ways. So I would like the lights to go off now, and we can have the music video on that screen. So can we see that, please?
Mundaistan, Mundaistan, Mundaistan.
पे गर्मी छाए तो गोली बन के ठोक दे ठोक दे ठोक दे ठोक दे जिद पे अपनी आए तो आग में खुद को झोंक दे झोंक दे झोंक दे झोंक दे ये तो अपनी रोटी से आसमान को छीन दे सूरज को उल्टा डाले हौसलों के कील पे राख कर दे तापमान Mundaistan, 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 Mundaistan. Down to the last man, right till the very end. I fight to the finish. I am Mundaistan. Shoot me, stab
grab me, kill me if you can. I rise like a phoenix, I am Mumbai star.
सर झुका दे आत्मा इसके एक इशारे पे करके चले तूफान इसकी हर एक राहों पे राहों पे राहों पे राहों पे ये तो अपनी रुख से आसमां को छीनते सूरज को उल्टा टांगे हौसलों के नील पे
राख कर दे तापमान खाक से निकला मुंबई स्थान 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 मुंबई स्थान
Now I'd like to invite the chief guest for this function, Ekta Kapoor, to say a few words. But before that, I want to thank two very important individuals in my life. My wife, Priyanka Sinha Jha, who stands over there fiddling with a Blackberry. Thank you very much. I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you, baby. I love you. And her prayers to God, I'm nothing. Thank you very much.
Well, you wouldn't exist.
I wouldn't exist too. Yeah, thank you, Arunodai, for sorting that thing out for me. And now for Ekta Kapoor, and after that we have two very great individuals, Sudhir Mishra, who's also a very good friend of mine and the producer of my last film, and Krishna Hegde, the MLA of Villeparle, who's also a very good friend of mine. So, Ekta Kapoor.
Honored and excited to be here, releasing one of the most exciting books I've read recently. As you know, that film Shooter at Wadala is a adaptation of a book, after which we were in search of a book because that was of course part fiction, part reality book. We were looking out for a fabulous book that we can read, which is a great read and which we could one day hopefully see a book like that on cellulite. And in Mumbai's town, I've come to one conclusion that the best writers are those who visualized what they want. And filmmaker for the first time turning into a writer is somebody who's been able to bring out the visual treat or the visualization of Bombay. Hasn't been more glamorous, more exciting, delicious, dark dogma as it's in Mumbai's town. It's a fabulous page turner and it's superbly entertaining. So 3 cheers for Piyush Jha for making such an entertaining book. It shows what a director can do when he becomes a writer and that also a novelist.
Thank you so much, Ekta.
Thank you so much, Ekta, for those kind words. And now for Sudhir Mishra.
Thank you so much, and I'm biased, Piyush is a friend, but I'm kind of justifiably biased because when I read a script called Sikandar, which he brought to me and to produce, I thought, here's a writer, and I was proved right, when I read this. As a failed novelist, I begin to admire Piyush a lot because the act of writing is a lonely job and to sit alone and to do things. Because directors have a lot of help doing things. So it's wonderful. There's very few people who know Mumbai, which was once Bombay, like Piyush does.